Have you been searching for the right SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Volkswagen Tiguan SEL in platinum gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 41,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6510A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.